Hello, I am DHANRAJ Suthar. My father's name is DHANRAJ Suthar. I read in ninth class in Government Senior Secondary School, Tholanada. I have made a calculator software program using Python programming language. This is a simple calculator program. In this calculator, we can calculate any numbers, add, multiply, subtract, and division. For making this calculator, I used Python programming language. You can see that it is my calculator software program. Now I am calculating. You can see. You have seen this calculating. Thank you.